In a busy kitchen, having versatile, high-performing equipment is a necessity. Make it easy to weigh any food item by using an AvaWeigh waterproof portion control scale. These digital portion control scales feature an IP68 waterproof rating. This protects the scale from rust and makes it safe for long-term water immersion. While some scales only have a removable platform that's easily cleanable, you can place this entire scale in the dishwasher for thorough sanitation. Its waterproof design also ensures your unit won't be damaged by drips and splashes from wet ingredients, making it the perfect solution for everything from a busy kitchen to a fish market to an ice creamery. For added convenience, this scale has a backlit LCD display for better visibility. This scale comes with an AC adapter and a rechargeable battery, making it more efficient and portable. Features include tare, check weight, part count, and self-calibration functions, giving this unit the versatility for all your weighing and counting needs. It can show weights in kilograms, grams, pounds, or ounces. For long-lasting use and ease of cleaning, this scale has a stainless steel body and weighing platform and is available in a 10-pound or a 30-pound size. It also includes a leveling bubble and adjustable feet to ensure that the platform is even. For consistent products and reduced waste, use an AvaWeigh waterproof portion control scale.